Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. Today I'm trying something a little different with my deal video here. I've put together 10 cleaning supplies couponing deals to stock up and save a bunch of money this Saturday, October 22nd at Dollar General. But instead of my usual format where I break down each deal and every item and coupon that goes with it, I will leave the coupon up on the screen, but to save time in the video, I won't say the coupon each and every time. I believe this will make the video a lot more efficient so that you get the information you need in the quickest way possible. If you enjoy this new format, please do me a huge favor, leave me a comment down below. Either way, it will help me plan out future deal videos, and your feedback is so appreciated. Also, if you enjoy couponing, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any of my future deal videos or my fun couponing live chats that we do multiple times a week. So let's get started, shall we? For our first deal, you could grab one of the 2-count packs of Febreze Small Spaces for $5.50. Grab 2 tubs of Clorox Disinfecting Wipes for $7. And finally, grab 2 bottles of the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. They're $7 each. And there's 2 different coupons for them. There's a $2.25 off of one coupon, as well as this $2 off of one coupon. Now, when we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $26.50. After all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off 25 Saturday coupon, you gotta make sure you clip that, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $13.75 plus tax for everything. This is a really great deal to stock up on disinfecting products. We actually haven't received a Clorox coupon for several weeks. I want to say it's been a couple months, and this is actually a better coupon than we have received in the past. So this is a really great deal to stock up, especially going into the cold and flu season. For our second deal, grab one of the single count packs of Febreze plug-in refills for $5.50, 1 pack of Skintimate razors for $6.75, 1 bottle of Lysol all-purpose spray for $2.50, one of the gallon-sized bottles of Odobam for $10. We don't have a coupon for them, but like I always tell you, that's totally okay. If you've never tried Odobam, by the way, you have gotta try it. It is such an awesome product. It smells really good. This gallon-sized Odobam actually comes in 2 different scents. I've never tried the original one, which is what this one is. I really love the purple bottle, which is, I believe, the lavender scent. I cannot recommend this product enough. And finally, grab one of the Airwick plugins for $2.25. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $27. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $13.50, which is a $13.50 savings. Really great deal to stock up on disinfecting products. For our third deal, grab one of the smaller size bags of Tide Pods for $5.50. Grab one of the smaller size bottles of Gain detergent for $5.50. 1 bottle of Downy fabric softener for $10.95. And finally, one of the smaller size bottles of Gain Fireworks for $4.50. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $26.45. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $14.95, which is a $11.50 savings. For our fourth deal, grab one of the 3-count packs of Mr. Clean Magic Erasers for $3.25, 2 bottles of Pine Sol cleaners for $8. Now, I want to make sure I mention this $1.50 off of 2 Clorox coupon is the one that's attaching to the Pine Sol deal. I don't know if this is a glitch or if this is a multi-brand coupon because we've gotten those in the past, but at the time of making this video, this coupon is attaching to the Pine Sol cleaner. Grab 1 can of Kaboom cleaner for $4.50. We don't have a coupon for them, which, by the way, here's a side note. Why do we never get a coupon for Kaboom cleaner? I've been couponing at Dollar General for a long time, and I don't really remember ever getting a coupon for this one. And then finally, grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist Kits for $12. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes at $27.75. Now, after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $15.75, so that's a $12 savings with this deal. For our fifth deal, grab one of the single count packs of Febreze plug-in refills for $5.50, and then grab 2 of the Airwick Essential Mist Kits. They are $12 each. We have 2 different coupons for them. We have this $5 off of one coupon, as well as this $3 off of one coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $29.50. I know it's kind of a high one. After all coupons, though, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $14 plus tax. That is a total savings of $15.50. I mean, that is barely just a little bit more than the full price of just one of the Airwick Essential Mist kits, and then pretty much everything else is free. This is a really great deal to stock up and get your house smelling really good. For our sixth deal, grab one of the Airwick plugins for $2.25, one of the 2-count packs of Febreze Small Spaces for $5.50, grab 2 of the Dawn Powerwash refills for $9 and clip this $1 off of one Dawn Powerwash coupon. I want to make sure I mention that here, that it's only good for just one of the bottles. Then grab one of the Gain Power Blast sprays for $4.75. And finally, one bottle of Eucerin Lotion for $5.75. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.25. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $13.75, so that's a total savings of $13.50. For our seventh deal, grab one of the Schick Intuition razors for $7.75, one of the Skintimate razors for $6.75, 4 bottles of Gain dish soap. They're on sale 2 for $5, so that makes them $10 for all 4 bottles. We don't have a coupon for them, but that's okay. And finally, grab one of the Dawn Powerwash refills for $4.50. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $29. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $16 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $13. For our eighth deal, grab one of the 130-count boxes of Bounce Pet Dryer Sheets for $9.95, one of the 121-ounce size bottles of Clorox bleach for $6.95, one bottle of extra laundry detergent for $6, and finally one bottle of Gain Fireworks for $4.50. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.40. Now, after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $17.40 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $10. This is a really great deal to stock up. I know this is a higher out of pocket deal, but this is stocking up on big bottles of product. For our ninth deal, grab one of the single count packs of Febreze plug-in refills for $5.50. One of the Airwick plugins for $2.25, and then grab 2 of the 4-count packs of Brawny paper towels. They are $9.50 each. They're on sale, I believe, and there is 2 different coupons for them. First, clip this $3 off of one Brawny paper towels coupon, as well as this $1 off of one Brawny paper towels coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.75. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $13.75 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $13. This is a really awesome deal because that is barely a little bit higher than the retail value of just 1 pack of the Brawny paper towels. So it's a great time to stock up. For our 10th deal, grab 2 bottles of Dreft detergent for $21. Now, I want to make sure I comment here. This is a really rare coupon. The $5 off of 2 Dreft coupon. If you are expecting or you plan on using Dreft detergent in the future, I highly recommend use this time to stock up because, like I said, this is a rare coupon. We don't see this one very often. And then grab 1 bar of the SheaMoisture African Black Soap for $6. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $13.50. So that's a total savings of $13.50. This is such a great time to stock up on Dreft. Please take this opportunity to stock up if this is a product that you use. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the all notifications bell. If you're looking for more deals, check out this next video and I will see you over there.